Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Picture Rail hardware. First you want to set up your area, get everything, all the furniture set, and so that you know exactly where you want to put your picture. And I just use a piece of painter's tape to mark my picture location. Then you're going to get a picture rail hook and then 2 double loop rings. And I like plumber's chain, but there's lots of decorative chains out there. So then I hold up the chain from the picture rail and figure out how long I'll need. Cut one of the links with some wire cutters. I just use my jewelry wire cutters and use pliers to really get it out of there. And then I add a double loop ring to each end. And I'm using brass because I have a lot of brass in my home, but they make other finishes. So you'll quickly be able to determine which jump ring to add to the hook, and then the other one you'll add directly to your picture. I just added it to the alligator hook at the top here. And it's that simple. And then you just hang it, line it up, remove the painter's tape, and you're good to go. Now, if you don't have a well-balanced picture frame, you can use museum putty or sticky tack, something to really help keep the picture steady. This one is from Target, and it hangs really well. I love it in our entryway. So give me a follow and subscribe, and thanks for checking out this video.